Mendel first crossed pure breed pea plants, pure breed pea plants having round yellow seeds, with pure breed pea plants having wrinkled green seeds, and found that only round yellow seeds were produced in the first generation. No wrinkled green seeds were produced in the first generation. First generation means F1 generation. No wrinkled green seeds were obtained in F1 generation. So from this, who is the dominant trait here? Anybody? Bhumika? Who is the dominant trait here? Ashika? Aishwarya? So the dominant yellow, round yellow seeds are, we can say it is dominant trait. Dominant traits, and as well as wrinkled green seeds. That is what the observation he has been said. Wrinkled green seeds, which is to say what? It is the recessive trait. That is. So this is F1 generation produced. Now F1 generation self-pollination has been made. So self-pollination has been made. Then we is to get what? F2 generation. So right. When the F1 generation pea plants, having round yellow seeds, were crossed by self-pollination, then four types of seeds having different combinations of shape, and colors were obtained, having different combinations of shape and colors were obtained in second generation. That is only you can write F2, that is what? Round yellow, and the second one is what? Round green, and the third one is wrinkled yellow, and the fourth one is wrinkled green. That is. So now he has been totally 556 F2 generation collected seeds, counted based on shape and color. We used to get the ratio how much, guys? Round yellow seeds is 315, round green seeds are 108, and wrinkled yellow seeds are 101, and wrinkled green seeds are coming 32. So now that is round yellow seeds, the simplest ratios if you take, which is equals to 9:3:3:1. So that is what we used to call as, this ratio only we used to known as what? Dihybrid ratio. Okay. So dihybrid ratio. So from that he said, Mendel said, F1 generation color plus shape is combined together, but dominant trait is only coming. But in F2 generation, subsequent generations, they're combined in the F1 generation, but they're separate individually and behave independently in the subsequent generations. That is what we used to call as law of independent assortment. So please all of you write. Second, law of independent assortment. According to the Mendel's second law of inheritance, that is only called as what? Second law of inheritance also called as independent assortment. Remember that both are called as same. Law of independent assortment. In the inheritance of more than one pair of traits. I am saying you now definition for what? The main definition for law of independent assortment. Also we can call it as Mendel's second law of inheritance. Okay, right. In the inheritance of more than one pair of traits. In the inheritance of more than one pair of traits, in a cross simultaneously, the factors responsible for each pair of traits are distributed independently to the gametes, So that is only, he said that in F1 generation, color plus shape both combine in F1 generation, and they are separate and act independently in the F2 generation. So this is only called as dihybrid inheritance and the law of independent assortment. So if you have understand this, then we will go for the explanation of results of dihybrid inheritance. Shall we start, guys? Everybody? Yes. So please all of you keep heading explanation of results of dihybrid inheritance. So it is very interesting topic, but the thing is you have to understand dihybrid inheritance. So now let me, you people need to speak. So as we know, single monohybrid means capital TT is the tallness, small tt is the dwarfness. Now here round yellow, so that how many letters will come, guys? Anybody can say? It is a dihybrid, correct? Round yellow and as well as wrinkled green. Anybody can say? Round yellow, so that what will come? Round yellow seeds. So can you say that traits, please? Round means it is indicating what? One pair of traits, that is what? Capital RR. And yellow seeds, what will come, guys? Capital YY. Okay, guys? And same way it will take wrinkled green seeds. Now at least can anybody say? Wrinkled green seeds, what will come? Wrinkled means it will come as a small RR, and green seeds we used to get small YY. So this is the characteristic. So capital RR, capital YY are the factors of inheritance or genes for the round yellow seeds, and small r and small YY are the factors of inheritance or traits or genes of the wrinkled green seeds. Will you remember this, guys? Please respond. Everybody. Yes? Nobody? No. At least one or two will speak means also okay. Now can anybody say what is the dominant trait for round shape? Anybody? What is the dominant trait for round shape? Round shape dominant trait. Round shape dominant trait. Anyone? Dominant trait.
RR, sir. Capital RR.
RR. Same way. Next, yellow color dominant shape.
Capital YY, sir.
Yeah. So yellow color, if you take yellow color, then the capital YY. Understand? Same way if you take small RR indicate what? It is what it is, guys? Which is a recessive gene for wrinkled shape. Understand, this is the dominant one, and this is the dominant traits, we used to say. And the recessive traits, what it is coming? Recessive traits what? Small rr for wrinkled. Understand? Wrinkled shape for small rr, and small yy for what, guys? Small yy for
Recessive green, sir.
green color. So please kindly remember this. If you'll remember this only, then we will do the cross pollination. So now, first of all, we want to get F1 generation. So F1 generation means who is crossing? Parental cross or F1 generation cross? Please respond. What is that now? Parental cross. What is that? Parental cross. Please, all of you speak. So parental cross. So parental cross, we are taking two kinds of parental phenotype. What is a phenotype? Anybody? Parental phenotype. Parents phenotype. Anyone? Just now I said you were at a parent phenotype. One is?
Round and yellow, sir.
Yes. Round yellow. Round yellow seeds. Next one, what it is? Cross with the?
Wrinkled green.
Wrinkled green. Wrinkled green seeds. Any doubt in this? You can ask. So that is. So very good. So now, I don't know, so many are not listening also, I think. So okay. Now, what is the factors of inheritance? Tell me factors of inheritance. Factors of inheritance. Factors of inheritance, if we'll take here, what it is there? R, and one capital Y. So here what will come? Small r, and capital small y and small y. So this is the factors of inheritance. Now, what is the gametes? Anybody can say? What is the gametes will form, guys? At least speak that. Gametes, anyone can say? What is the gametes will form? Capital R and capital Y. Capital R, capital Y, and same way, capital R and capital Y. Is it yes or no? This is the first gamete. Next, second gamete here, what will form? Small r, small y gamete, and same way here, small r, small y here will form. So this is the gametes. Totally clear? Any doubt? Anybody you can ask me. Are you clear, guys? Yes, please respond. Gametes formation, Varsini Vensi, Arya, Karthikeyan, Dilipan. Any doubt? Anyone you can ask me. Kritika. That is. So now you can find fusion of gametes. If we'll take the fusion of gametes, so then we know that. What is the F1 generation? Anybody can say, guys? F1 generation fusion of gametes will take place. So that we used to get F1 generation genotype. So in F1 generation, all are coming what? Yellow color seeds or any other thing? F1 generation genotype. Speak, everybody. F1 generation genotype, everywhere we are getting yellow seeds only, yellow and round seeds, so that we can say everything is dominating gene. So F1 generation phenotype. So you have to speak, I should not. F1 generation, first of all, RY. So this is the first thing. So what is RY? You should speak. Capital R, capital Y. Same way, what will come first? This one will come here. What is that? Small r, small y. So you can rearrange this one. You can write as a capital R, small r, and capital Y and small y. Is it okay, guys? Yes or no? So this is only we can say. What we used to getting? Dominating capital R is there. So we used to get round yellow seeds. Understand, everyone? Round yellow seeds. Next, here you dominate. Here what will come? Capital RR and capital Y, small y only will come. So this is also we can take the same thing used to come. So this is what? Here also what will come? Round yellow seeds. So please all of you tell me. Next, this one. Go here and we come here. So what is used to come, guys? Here also should speak. R, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So again we used to get what? Round yellow seeds only. Next again, this one, what is used to come, guys? Yes. So capital R, small r, capital Y, small y only. So again, we used to get here also, everywhere, capital R, capital Y, small y. So everywhere we used to get round yellow seeds only. So this is the F1 generation. So F1 generation, have we got the all round yellow seeds? Any doubt? Anybody can tell me, please. Have we get or not? Any doubt?
No, sir.
That is still here, draw it. Any doubt, anybody you can ask me. So now, this is what is going to happen. So now, F2 generation crossing, F1 crossing. So F1 crossing, any two you can select. What is the F1 crossing plants here? Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Select any two, and you can cross. You should speak now at least. F1 cross. So F1 cross, if we'll do, what is going to get, guys? We're going to get first F1 generation phenotype. Anybody can tell me? F1 generation phenotype. F1 generation, yes. F1 generation phenotype, if we'll take, what is that? Round yellow seeds. What? Round yellow seeds, and as well as into what? Round yellow seeds only. Yellow seeds. That is, I think only few or I don't know what. Next, factors of inheritance. Tell me. Factors of inheritance. Factors of inheritance. What it is? Capital R, small r, capital Y. So this one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So what is the factors of inheritance? R, Y, small y. Yes or no? Same way here. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So everybody make it. Now, let me see who will say. Karthikeyan, can you say the gametes formed by here? Gametes. Gametes from this man. So first one, capital R. And let me take the capital Y. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? RY. Yes or no? Yes? Next. Capital R, small y. Is it okay? Krutika? Next, third one. Small r, capital Y. Next, fourth one. Small r and small y. Is it yes or no, guys? Small r and small y. So these are the four factors. So this is one hybrid. One hybrid. Next, second hybrid, tell me. Second hybrid, again, same thing. You people tell me. Capital Y. Next, capital R, small y. Next, small r, capital Y. And the same way, small r, small y. So this is other hybrid. So now for here we have to draw fusion of gametes and how the F1 generation genotype and phenotype we have to make it. So the next one, cross, fusion of gametes. So if we'll do, so now it is very it is very difficult to draw. That is why they used to represent in a tabular column in our textbook also. So please all of you observe that. Now I will show you the tabular column. So gametes from one hybrid. So totally we used to get how many gametes? 4 gametes are there. So you have to make cross breeding every time. So capital R, capital Y, one. Next one, small r, capital R, small y. And this side what? Small r, capital Y. And this one, small r, small y. Same way, we have to crossbreed with this side also. So capital R, capital Y, and capital R, small y. Same way, small r, capital Y, and same way you have to make small r and small y. So like this, we have to make the crossbreeding. So we used to get the ratios of round yellow seeds are 9, round green seeds are a few, like that used to come. So the tabular column I will show you. So till here everybody draw. Till gametes, any doubt, anybody you can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Or else now the cross breeding ratio you can check it, how much it will come. Now I will say. So till here finished it, everyone. Prasini. Everybody completed? Understand? Yes, everyone? So that is what it is. So now, if we'll cross this F2 generation, we used to get a ratio. Understand? Round yellow seeds are 9, round green seeds are 3, wrinkled green seeds are 3, and wrinkled wrinkled yellow seeds are 3, and wrinkled green seeds are 1. So that is what now I will show you. So that is, if you all of you take that and you can draw in our classwork also. It is already given in our textbook, but it is somewhat, it will be made a little bit more in detail. You can notice it. So that is the picture which you can see. All of you see this. So this is what it is. Now count it and tell me. So this is what the crossbreeding. If we'll do RY, RR, everything. So this is what we can say, fusion of gametes, we can say. So fusion of gametes. So now count it and tell me, everybody. Fusion of gametes. So if we'll take here. So first of all, round yellow seeds, how many? Tell me. Round yellow seeds. Count it and tell me. Everyone, round yellow seeds. How many are there? Count it. RR, round yellow seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is wrinkled, correct? 7, 8, round yellow. 8. Where it is there totally? Tell me. 9 is there. Count it.
Yes, 8 only, sir.
8. 9 will come.
Third row, second column, sir.
Yeah. Now first one you can see. So first will come. So you'll get a round yellow seeds totally should come 9. So one is first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, and same way fifth one, and sixth one, here seventh one, and next eighth one, and here ninth one. Is it okay, Padmashni? Round yellow seeds are 9.
Okay, sir. I didn't read second column.
Next, round yellow seeds over. Now round green seeds counted. Round green seeds 1 and 2. Round green seeds 3. So we used to get 3 round green seeds. Round green seeds. So green, how we can say, guys? Green means who must be there? Double Y. Have you noticed it? Double Y. Capital R, double Y is the round green seeds. What is the genotype of this one? Anybody can say? Genotype? Capital R, small y is the round green tail. Now, what is a round yellow shape? Round yellow shape is what, guys? Capital RR, capital Y, small y. That is what? Capital Y, both capital Y, or capital Y, small y also. One capital is present, it is yellow only. Understanding? Round yellow. One capital is present also. It is round and yellow. That is what you have to remember. If both small y's are present, then only it is called as what, guys? Both small is present, then only it is called as what? Green. Remember. So what my statements you remember, single R is present, capital R. This is round. Single capital Y is present, that is yellow. Both small y's are present, that is green. Understanding? Both small r are present, that is wrinkled. Is it clear, everyone? That is. So now, next one. Wrinkled yellow seeds. Everybody. Wrinkled yellow seeds means genotype. Tell me. Anybody? Wrinkled yellow seeds. Please should speak. Wrinkled yellow seeds genotype. Wrinkled means what? Both small r should be there. Yellow means what? At least one capital Y or capital Y must be there. Or else capital Y, small y should be there. So these genotypes, where are there? Find it, all of you. Small r. Wrinkled yellow seeds. Wrinkled yellow seeds. You can see small r, capital Y. 1. Small r, capital Y. 2. Small r, capital Y. 3. So totally how many? 3 is the ratio. Next, wrinkled green seeds. What is the ratio, guys? Anybody? Wrinkled green seeds. Wrinkled green seeds. Wrinkled means what? Both small r. Green means both small yy. So this combination only one. That is the last one. You might be C. So that is the only one is present. So wrinkled green seeds means this is. So the ratio is 1. So this is only dihybrid ratio. What is that ratio? 9:3:3:1. Okay, guys, have you noticed it? Please respond me. So this is what this result is, the same that obtained by Mendel's through his experiment. This is only we used to called as dihybrid ratio. So you remember that Mendel's work is the worked out of the underlying rules of inheritance before any knowledge of DNA. By that time, he don't know thing present called as DNA or a gene, whatever it is. He just called as a character factor only. So later, he don't know by that time when he is finding these results, he really don't know what is chromosomes, DNA, genes, everything, how they became available also. But his results become really wonderful, and the same thing is applicable to even the present human beings. Everything after the discovery of genes also the same results is satisfying. So this is only ways to called as monohybrid and dihybrid ratios. So hope all you are very clear with this. I think it is one of the most difficult thing, but it is very easily you people may understand. So that is what I am understanding. See, whenever mind you tell me now, for example, I won't say this tabular column. You tell me, for example, I will ask wrinkled yellow seeds. What is the genotype, Nitinath? Wrinkled yellow seeds. What is the gene type? Wrinkled yellow seeds. What is the genotype possibilities? Wrinkled means what? Both must be smaller. Understanding? And yellow seeds must be what? Yellow seeds means what? Either it is a capital Y, or we can say what? One capital Y and small y also. Do you understanding? So the genotype possibility is small r, capital Y, or small r, capital Y, small y. So this is the genotype both for wrinkled yellow seeds. Do you understand? Like that, if you're able to find, definitely you will do more better in exam. Do you understand? Don't try to by heart this one. Clear everyone what I'm saying? So try to form combinations, then only exam you people do, you can answer even though question is coming different. Is it okay, Sanjay? Have you understand this, Dina? So this is all about it. Then this is all about how the monohybrid hybridization, dihybrid inheritance, and as well as law of segregation and as well as law of independent assortment. So here, somebody is dominating in F1 generation. That is only called as law of dominance. We used to call it as both in monohybrid and dihybrids dominating correct. That is only we used to call it as law of dominance. So with this, I will stop the today's class. In next class, how these characteristics transmitted to progeny, means from the parents to offsprings, how these characteristics are transmitting. That is all we will study in human beings and all in the next class. So with this, I will leave you. So just very small things are remaining. That is sex determination and how these are transforming from progeny, from the parents to the progeny. That is all we will study in the next class. So hope you all are clear. With this, I will leave you. Thank you, everybody. Bye. We'll meet in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.